Hi everyone, this is TechnoTixB and it has been a year MI has launched its Mi Band 2. The company gave several updates to the band, so we will talk about those updates and how much it has really improved. And also recently Mi Band 3 has launched. By seeing the past of anything, you can somehow predict the future. Means you will also get to know whether you should wait for Mi Band 3 or just currently buy this Mi Band 2 on this Mi 4th anniversary sale. Covering some frequent question about both the device and most importantly, when will Mi Band 3 is coming to India. First, let's talk about the software development for this Mi Band 2.0 or HRX edition. There are 4 to 5 major updates in this band so far, and those updates have tremendously improved this band. Let's first recall all those updates. When this band has launched, at that time only band was notifying you by just showing the app icon. Like if someone is calling you, there was just a phone icon and your band is vibrating. Same thing is for message app, but after updates, now it also showing the contact info of that person who is calling. Even now you can disconnect the call too. To disconnect, just press this single button for 3 seconds. Initially when I was traveling with the bus, this band was going to think you are still walking. So every time when bus started, it used to count it as footsteps, but now it knows the difference. Sometimes this band amazed me with its accuracy of sleeping time. Like just wake up, noted the time, and when comes to check in Mi Fit app, it holds the accuracy up to minutes. Noted time was 7:32 and it showed me 7:32. God, that's really impressive. App is definitely improved over the past. New behavior tagging introduced and updated activity sections. Now there is so many things to do with this band, but some of the cool tweaks were not there when this Mi Band was launched. So definitely this shows the decency of the company for its product. Accuracy is increased in all measurement. Now it understands the body motion more accurately. The build of the band is good and it's super light. Sometimes you may wear it for the whole day and it goes unnoticed, unlike other watches which feels a bit heavy. In these 1 year, from the bath in the bathroom to the river, I have done all this by wearing this band. So yes, it is waterproof. Sometimes the band does not charge due to the cloting of soap and dust at the electrodes, hence just needed to be cleaned before charging with the help of earbud and water. Don't worry, it would run short circuit. Last month MI announced the next generation of this fitness band, which is Mi Band 3. All the above good things will going to inherit from the Mi Band 2 to Mi Band 3. If you like the look of the Mi Band 2, it is almost certain you will like the design of Mi Band 3, as the design is remarkably similar. It is thin band, so it looks more like a fitness tracker than a smartwatch, and the display fits on the most of the front of the strap. That screen is 0.78-inch OLED panel with a resolution of 120x80, which is compared to 0.42-inch OLED display on Mi Band 2. Sporting a pixel density of 193 ppi, currently Mi Band 3 is the smartwatch with the highest ppi display on the market. And the upgraded chip, the new model screen is brighter than that of the predecessor. As always, the strap is interchangeable, so you will be able to have the variety of designs, and it should be light on your wrist as it only weighs 20 grams. The battery inside the Mi Band 3 is 110 mAh, which the company claims will last around 20 days from a single charge. Comparing to the previous gen, it was 70 mAh, and currently this Mi Band 2 gives me around 13 to 15 days battery backup after 1 year. All the major things and minor things have been upgraded with this Mi Band 3, so definitely it will want to wait for this band. If you are in hurry, you can definitely go with Mi Band 2. That is also a robust deal. If you want to wear a band for just a fashion stuff, go with HRX edition because there is everything except the heart rate monitor. Currently you can buy Mi Band 2 at 1600 rupees, like 200 off, and HRX edition will cost you around 1300 rupees. So definitely Mi Band 2 will be the good choice for now. And if you are wondering about the Mi Band 3 in India, this will come up with the price tag of around 2200 to 2500. So let's take me, if I want to buy a band, I will definitely going to wait for Mi Band 3. And yes, I am still waiting. Or otherwise, if you want in early, you can still order this product from the GearBest or AliExpress. That will cost you around 2100 rupees. If you want, I will give you the link, but you have to consider the fact that it will going to take around 25 to 30 days to delivery. and there will be no warranty on that product. As per the roughly leak, we can expect the Mi Band 3 in India before our 70 seconds Independence Day. So till then, enjoy your independence and also be the part of Swachh Bharat mission. If you have any inquiry about these products or Swachh Bharat mission, simply comment below. I will be there for you, and for more coverage about Mi or Mi Band 3, you can roam around the channel Technotricks B. Till then, bye my friends.